Welcome to COPA2. COPA2 is a fantastic opportunity for pupils to explore nature, learn about biodiversity, and make a real difference. Following the success of COPA1, we're excited to invite schools to take part in COPA2, taking place on the 3rd and 4th of December 2026. The conference is open to Year 7 and Year 8 pupils. Places are limited, with priority given to schools within the National Park. The event is free of charge and support is available for travel costs and to reimburse any associated supply costs. To take part, pupils are asked to choose a local green space. This could be a woodland, a park, a hedge, or even a single tree. They'll explore the space and think about questions like, what grows here? What animals can be found here? How do people use this space? And how does it make them feel? Pupils can present their work in whatever way suits them, either in Welsh or English. This could be through art, a video, a poster, a map, graphs, or a report. Support is available for fieldwork, with sessions taking place during June and July. Successful pupils will be invited to stay overnight at Plas Dolomorch and take part in exciting nature and conservation activities. Applications close on the 10th of July 2026. We look forward to receiving your entries. Good luck!